What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We finally got a van, so this is going to be using for probably not carrying vending machines because it's a little small for that, but definitely carrying stock because we outgrew the Polo. We couldn't fit any more stock in the Polo, so we could only probably do like 2 vending machine trips. But yeah, so in 2023 I'm looking to buy more vending machines, grow the business a lot bigger, but it's a bit blank on the sides. I'll show you the sides in a minute. We're going to get it all on the logo on the sides, probably get the insides painted. It's a little bit dirty at the minute, but yeah, we're going to get the insides painted, probably get some shelves inside the van because the stuff kind of moves a little bit. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to next year and I'm excited for it. Let's show you the inside of the van. So this is what the inside's looking at right now. It's just a little bit boring, bit plain, but yeah, we got the dolly. We're about to fill up the vending machine, two vending machines right now, so we've got 2 boxes. We've just been to Best Ways, so this is what we just got back from Best Ways. But it's 2-seater van. That's where Kovu sits. But yeah, I'll show you the front in a minute. But yeah, I'll show you around the sides now. So this is what the outside looks like. We're gonna get like the logo here and at the back. But yeah, it's a nice drive. It's all right. It's not too shabby. Is it recording?
It's recording.
Okay. So this is where I drive. So this is the steering wheel. This is the radio section and the heating section. It's just like a normal car van. But we can't listen to music like from our phones. So I think I'm decking this out and getting like a new stereo system. It's got so much storage in this van. It's insane. Look at that. Look at that. Storage. It's a bit dark. Pop a light on.
Oh, didn't help. It's underneath the light. Storage. There's storage at the back. There's just a lot of storage. You didn't show this cup holder thing.
Oh my goodness, wait. Look.
Wait, hold on.
Right, this has got croissants in it. Storage.
Croissant.
Storage.
There's storage.
Let's not show down there. But this storage. So I'm just excited for the future because I've just moved into a new apartment, got a van. So yeah, so the future. I've got my hood up because my hair's a little bit curly at the minute. But yeah, so the future is gonna be bright. It's a bit dark right now because of the lighting conditions, but the future's looking bright for us. So yeah, I've also got an armrest, so when I'm driving, I can drive like this. But yeah, the future is looking nice and bright. I'm excited for it. I also put a poll up on my Instagram the other day and I was like, how many vending machines I'm going to get in 2023? Someone said 50. 50. I don't think they understand how much vending machines cost. I'm looking for around about 10. 7 to 10 would be nice. So yeah. But I'm going to go and fill up some vending machines now. You can join us. But yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it is raining.
It is. You do be correct.
Parkour!
You had 2.
Oh shit.
That's it.
I'm late for that key. For the Pringles.
Remind you to do it.
Yeah, you sent me a link, didn't you? I never did it.
Is there another?
That's all nice. Are you filming?
I am filming.
It's getting foggy in it. Okay. We're on the way to the next location, just behind the learner driver, so we could be that we could get there next week. But yeah, so we just filled up the first location. That's what you just saw. Now we're on to the next location. We are literally like probably 2 minutes away, but we'll probably get there next week because this guy. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. He's moving. Hey! But yeah, so you'll see us in there in a minute. Peace.
And big Meg hands.
Hey, it's me, you know, back in a grey hoodie. I didn't end the video, so I'm here in the apartment, you know. So yeah, that's the van. You would have seen it in the previous video anyway, because I was driving it in that video. But yeah, so I'm really excited for this year. So happy new year to you all. It is January the 2nd now. So I think I filmed that video in November. So yeah, happy new year to you all. Hope you have an amazing new year. The next video you're gonna see after this is my apartment tour. But yeah, thank you all for the support so far. There's Kovu, he thanks you all as well. But yeah, make sure you hit me on Instagram there and TikTok there as well. You'll see more videos, more short clips on there. But yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and turn the post notifications on as well. But yeah, all that good stuff because it boosts all the engagement and algorithm. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, which will be my apartment tour. Peace.
10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money